Hello friends, welcome to my channel All Web Solution. On this video, I will show you how can we float a div without the Elementor Pro. On this website, now I am developing this website. On this website, and I fall in a problem when I try to floating this part when we scroll this total item. This is a training related website. Okay. Now let's do it. First of all, we have to go and add a new plugin. Sticky. Now activate. This is the plugins. Now go to setting. We don't need it. Now you can see stick element requirement. Now we have to make a ID or class. Let's do the ID. Floating MST. Now let's save it. Okay, now copy this item and refresh it. Okay, now go to advanced and paste this ID. Now save it. Okay, now let's check. Oh, sorry. Select this column. Now you can see it is done. This is the way you can do the floating div. You can do this floating anything with these plugins. Hope this video will help you. If helped, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.